I was expecting her home like any minute. I was so nervous. We get a phone call. Oh, Natalie needs a ride to the airport. I'm gonna give her a ride to the airport. Is that okay? I think my brain just kind of like shut down a little bit.
I mean, I didn't think I had anywhere to be.
Well,
I was
right,
just
yeah.
like, oh, just like, you know, whatever. It's just Monday night. So we had candles like all down like either side of that, and he was standing in here. I'm just like waiting in his suit, like. I came in and I was like, hi.
And I don't know. I just asked her.
We went to our favorite restaurant around for some souffle, and then we just like came home and shared the news with everyone. And then we're like, what should we do? Just go for it. Let's just go to Alaska.
Yeah.
You are so super excited. This is his like place. This is Jason's kind of place. I don't know if this is elsewhere in Alaska, but like I don't think like the store hours mean very much. It was like 10 a.m. and the sign said open at 8 every day. And we're like, not today. Okay, I remember the cheesecake.
That's a halibut sandwich.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Right now? Aww, to wedding day.
Getting better with every sleeve.
I got this job in Chicago at a company called The Nerdery. My start date was actually on Halloween. The weekend before, The Nerdery always had like a huge Halloween party. I dressed as Misty from Pokemon with a couple of friends. Jason was there, and he was dressed as the dude from The Big Lebowski. We honestly really didn't talk that much, but I remember him so clearly from that night.
We do a lot of after-hour meetups at our job. They always look for volunteers. She was eager to volunteer because she was new, trying to meet people. I was like, yeah, you know, I'll volunteer. Kind of like a typical oblivious male who can't read the signs. I mean, I knew I liked her, but I'm pretty shy. It took me a long time to like do anything about it.
This is the way he wrote this. I can't wait to see you in your dress. I can't imagine a more perfect way to get married. I spent most of my life not caring or thinking I might spend my life with another person until I met you. I'll never forget the late night train rides home after seeing you. I would sit and reflect on our time together and how much I never wanted to leave. I fell in love pretty quickly.
Dear Jason, I feel like I always knew one day you would be my husband, since the first moment you captured my heart with your immeasurably kind soul. The way I know you are perfect for me is not because of our shared love of toy Jim and Pam, or because the dreamy long locks you cloned when we first met. Though all of those things are treasured parts of who you are my love because you have filled my heart, soul, and entire being in a way that I could never have known I needed. There is truly no person on this earth who I think is more deserving of love than you.
You are the best thing that could have happened to my life.
I love you and I like you. Love, Brienne.
I hear your breastbone, feel your chest go running in an open swing. Bury me underneath the tongue of some poet you're thinking of. Recuerda, recuerda. We'll see, cradle my cheek. Corazón y suerte, you tell me now. I know how to stay. Oh, I'm on a gray dog.
Jason, today I join my life with yours.
Brienne, today I join my life with yours.
I take you as you are, loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.
Through anywhere that life may take us.
I promise to always be grateful for our love and our life, putting that above all else.
To be generous with my time, my energy, and my affection.
I promise to fill our marriage with joy and our home with laughter.
To always encourage you and build you up in good times and in bad.
And to be your partner in life wholly and completely all the days of my life.
I know a kiss was a summer song, but my stomach did memory follow. So I'll say that I can recall every lip taste and shake.